Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna without mayo. We'll explore delicious and healthy alternatives to create a flavorful tuna dish. You'll learn to balance textures and tastes for a truly satisfying meal, moving beyond traditional preparations. Get ready to transform your tuna experience with fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors, making every bite a delightful surprise. This approach offers a lighter, more refreshing take on a classic, perfect for any occasion. To begin, select premium canned tuna, ideally packed in olive oil for richer flavor or water for a lighter base. Next, infuse your tuna with fresh herbs such as parsley, dill, or chives to add a vibrant, aromatic lift. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a dash of your favorite vinegar will provide essential acidity, brightening the entire dish. Finally, healthy fats from ripe avocado or a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil will create a luscious texture. Achieving a satisfying texture without mayonnaise is simple with the right additions. Finely diced celery, red onion, or colorful bell peppers will introduce a delightful crispness. For an extra layer of crunch, consider toasted nuts like almonds or sunflower seeds. If you desire more creaminess and protein, mashed chickpeas or white beans are excellent choices. Lastly, a handful of briny capers or chopped pickles will provide a tangy counterpoint, elevating the overall flavor profile. Here is a fantastic way to prepare tuna without mayo. Start by combining 1 5-ounce can of drained tuna with 2 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, along with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. This vibrant, flavorful tuna is perfect served on crisp lettuce wraps or whole grain crackers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.